Okay, everybody, welcome back to the channel. I have our new friend Brandon here, who we have met since we've been living in Cuenca. And Brandon, can you introduce yourself and let everyone know what you do here?
Oh yeah, sure. My name is Brandon. I'm just a guy who loves gaming, board gaming, and we started this thing called Con. It's kind of like saying the dice convention, kind of the thing in Spanish. And what we do here is we try to bring more people to this beautiful hobby. Board gaming, war gaming, TCGs, all this like alternative stuff for the day-to-day, entertainment.
Okay. And what is happening here today at Mall del Rio?
Okay, we have this event like one per year. This is a yearly event. We call the La Mega Topada. It's kind of saying like the huge meeting for board gaming, war gaming, and other stuff. So we got a lot of stuff going on right now. For example, we got a Kill Team tournament here, like Warhammer. We got Magic tournament over there. We got a Catan tournament here. We also have a Pokemon TCG tournament over there. A lot of stands for collective toys, miniatures, board games, etc. Yeah, so a lot of stuff's going on.
Okay, and can you tell the people about the weekly meetings that you have?
Yeah, we have a weekly meetings that's called La Topada. We got one on Wednesdays and one Saturdays, right? So Saturdays are kind of a bigger meeting. We got board games and war games and TCGs, and on Wednesday we just got like for the more strategic games, right? So we do these things weekly. We meet in different restaurants in the whole city. So if you want to know where is going to be the next meeting, we just follow us on Instagram or Facebook, and that's it.
And I'll make sure I'll post your information in the description. And this is how we met Brandon through the weekly meetings on Saturdays in particular. And we have a great time. We get a chance to practice our bad Spanish, and some of the players get to practice their English with us.
Yeah, myself. Sorry for my bad English, but I'm practicing here.
Luckily for us, a lot of the games that they play are in English. So if anyone watching this who is intimidated by Spanish, don't be. You can come and play games. Games are universal.
Yeah, exactly. And it is a safe place, so it's the perfect place to practice your Spanish and for us to practice our English. So it's a win-win situation here.
That's right. All right, thank you, Brandon.
Thank you, Steve. Thank you.
So hi, I'm Jordi. We are here from Cuenca. We have a store from Pokemon. We have a lot of stuff. We are introducing this TCG in Cuenca because there's not much stores here in Cuenca, in Ecuador mostly. So we have ETVs, play mats, we have some carpets, a lot of stuff of Pokemon. We love Pokemon. When we were young, I guess. So you can check our social media, TikTok, Instagram, Meow Toys EC.
Español, okay?
Yeah, okay. No sé qué más puedo decir, pero somos nosotros de Cuenca. Estamos introduciendo aquí en la ciudad Pokémon, ya que no es tan común. Hay precios muy elevados y nosotros tratamos de tener lo mejor a buenos costos, buenos precios y también para la comunidad, porque no hay espacios dedicados para el TCG de Pokémon en nuestra ciudad.
Okay, hello. I am Leo Carpio. I am owner of Petizos Juegos. We are a board game store in which you can find everything you want to play. Actually, if you don't find the game you want in our store, we can bring it to you because we have the deal with most of companies. So you just tell us, and we will bring it to you. Also, if you want to play, just play. You just call us, and we open the store for you. We just play and have fun.
Hi, my name is Diego Valareso, and I'm the owner from Collectors DC. We are a store from action figures in stock or under request. So we're in Cuenca, Ecuador. We are collecting about 19 years, so we know a lot of what we need to know about toys. Okay, and we collect a lot of lines actually. Most of them are from the 80s, 90s, and I'm collecting vintage toys and new toys.